Welcome to Microwave Laboratory 2.05 under the Communications Department. This lab is located in Block Perdana, Level 2 and under supervision of Assistant Engineer, Mr. Muhammad Saufi bin Ismail. This lab can occupy 5 students at one time during their laboratory sessions. Core courses in EE 200 such as ECM 642, Antenna Design and Analysis, EEE 600, Final Year Project 1, and EEE 650, Final Year Project 2, has used this lab facilities. As you can see, this lab is occupied with a safety and emergency kits, as well as the signage and safety procedure to guide the staff and students in the event of emergency. These are the equipment inside this lab. There are computer simulation technology, CST software with one active license, Agilent Vector Network Analyzer, VNA, Free Space Arc, Anechoic Chamber, and Comrel 3D rotations. For ECM 642 and EEE 600 students, will use CST software to simulate and design the antenna and microwave absorber. For EEE 650 and ECM 642, students will measure the design antenna and absorber. There are two different measurement setups for antenna and microwave absorber in this lab. The calibration process is done to ensure accurate measurement result. For part A, which is antenna, the equipment that will be used is Vector Network Analyzer, VNA, to measure return loss S11 and bandwidth. Then the antenna will be set up in Anechoic Chamber to measure 3D radiation pattern using Comrel 3D rotations. All the data antenna measurements can be done here, such as return loss S11, VSWR, bandwidth, beam width, radiation, pattern, antenna gain, and efficiency.
For Part B, which is the equipment that will be used, are Free Space Arc and Vector Network Analyzer VNA. The measurements for absorber are reflectivity, permittivity, and permeability. For Free Space Arc measurement that follows IEEE standards can be used for absorber measurements that have been created. A setup of free space dielectric measurements is also available here. Students will implement 5S and compulsory to record their names in equipment usage card before leaving the lab.